sea, you can't swim in. Better think twice before you dive into that water. What you gonna do when the game is over?
Welcome to La La Land Bali.
Put on your socks, your game face on, and I don't give a damn if you're ready or not.
When Eats Retreats invited us to come here, I saw the photos and I could not resist.
This villa is huge, so huge in fact, it has 6 bathrooms, 5 bedrooms, 1 media room with a projector,
An enormous living space with an egg pit, 2 kitchens, 2 pools, 5 showers,
and 1 giant walk-in closet. I'm Ashley, this is Josh, welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell so you can follow more of our adventures.
Let's go.
We have been so lucky that Eats and Retreats was willing to work with us while we were here in Bali. We have been able to stay for 3 days here in this amazing villa. Eats and Retreats has villas all over Southeast Asia for everyone, whether you want a small villa or something as grand as this.
And the really cool thing, in my opinion, about La La Land is the owners are an architect and an interior designer, so this place is like a retreat. Like, if it's great for families because there's so many rooms and so many facilities, but it's also great for groups of people that want to come for a retreat or a refreshment or to get inspired and create art.
Or groups of friends like us who work together and enjoy a space like this.
We've been having so much fun, but I think it's time that we go out and have some insane adventures.
That is not what we're doing.
Well, what else do you call surfing? Like, I've never done that before. We're going in the ocean.
We've never been surfing before, so insane's probably, it'll probably be a little lackluster.
No, I meant insane as in we might die.
Yeah, that's true. That might happen.
This is our good friend Will. He's actually Craig and Amy's friend. He happens to be a surf and ski instructor. You about ready to go out and hit them waves?
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
So Will is going to take us out and give us surf lessons. He's been out pretty much every day. Craig even was there while Craig was here, but in fact, they just left the other day. So sadly, Craig won't be able to teach us, but we have Will. And I hear he's good.
Yeah.
But the beach is not the greatest place to bring this camera, so we're going to switch to the GoPro, and we're just going to try our hand at surfing and bring you guys along.
Before, have you asked? No. Never paddled, like stand-up paddle or anything like that?
Yeah, I know. Stand-up paddleboard.
Handy. Have you snowboarded?
Once.
Do you know which way your foot goes forward? Goofy?
Yeah.
Okay, so whichever foot is at the front, the leash goes on the back foot, okay? Feet together when you're paddling. Toes just dangling off the end is a good point of reference. Don't want your feet all the way back. You don't want to be too far forward because you'll nosedive, right? Key bit of safety info. If you come off, which you will, you'll crash when we're walking back out or swimming back out. Don't let the board be between you and a wave. So if the waves are coming towards us here, never ever have the board in front of you like that. Okay. Because if that wave hits the board and you're in the way, it's just going to smack it.
Put on your socks, your game face on, and I don't give a damn if you're ready or not.
wave.
Yeah, and I caught it. I didn't film it, but I caught one for sure.
Did you catch anything? Like any film footage?
I got some footage, but I'm pretty sure it looks like just a bunch of water going, because it's really hard to paddle with that thing.
We're not professionals by any means. So we probably sucked out there, but Will was like so good at helping us out.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it got so deep right here.
Hop on, I'll take you in.
Look at your silhouette with that sun going down on the beach. Beach babe.
Yeah.
Look at the long hair, surfer vibes.
So as you can see, Ashley and I are not as cut out for this as someone like Will who teaches this sort of thing for a living.
I can't believe he is out there for that long and he was swimming. He had no board. He was swimming in the water. I just,
crazy.
yeah. I was mostly afraid of falling and hitting my head on rocks because there are rocks all out there.
Well, they were like most of a body's height underneath the water.
Yeah.
You were pretty all right. But the only reason I came in to begin with is because the wave just kind of took me. So it brought me in. I didn't intend to come in.
You
and then
were riding a wave.
I was, well, yeah, on accident. And then I was just too tired to go back out there, man.
Man, we need to do more push-ups.
But that's fun.
I think I told you not to trust her. She's all about that game. Don't go and fall in love with that girl. She will only cause you pain. Don't think she loves you, she don't mean it. Just look the other way. She's coming at you, you better run before she leaves your heart in vain. She is cold as ice, deep blue sea, you can't swim in. Better think twice before you dive into that water. What you gonna do when the game is over? When you realize she is not the one, you better put on your socks, your game face on. And I don't give a damn if you're ready or not. Oh, we will start something new, cause the game is over. Nothing left to do and all is said and done. I said,
All right, dinner time.
I think they made us mahi-mahi, fried rice, and salad.
Whoa, you guys excited for that?
What we didn't capture on the surfing was that Ashley got up on her knees, but she got up and
Proposal, like.
and she was like, I can do this, Superman. I got up one time for like legit, like I rode the whole wave in. Another time, pretty okay.
High-fived me once.
Yeah, I did. Yeah,
Asked me.
I was like surfing and I like leaned down and high-fived her and just kept going. I mean, I felt pretty cool. So it's totally doable if you've got some good balance, but the big thing, and Will warned us of this beforehand, is that it's all about the paddling, upper body strength, and honestly towards the end, just the fact that we don't exercise enough, all the toxins in our body were like released throughout our system and we were just like, whoa, like we felt sick just from exercising.
I need to do some push-ups every night. Be preparing for that.
But Ashley,
Yeah.
I have some bad news.
What?
I lost our wedding ring.
You did?
Yeah, the first time I got up, I stood up and my ring was immediately gone.
You have been telling me that until now?
Yep.
Rude.
Yeah. Allison,
We're not married anymore.
Allison is not amused.
I don't know if this is okay to watch, but I guess you guys are all watching, so that's fine. But to make you maybe feel better, Eric lost his years ago, and
see?
I lost my band as well. So technically, we're just
Oh my
engaged.
gosh.
See, if you put it in perspective, you know, like I had that ring for almost 12 years.
You should have glued it on your finger.
You know what? So, you know what's funny is when I went out there surfing, I started paddling and my first thought was like, oh no, I have my ring on still. And then I was leading up to the wave, I'm paddling going, hold on to your ring, hold on to your ring. And then I stood up and like somehow in the middle of paddling to standing up, the ring just straight up slipped off my finger.
You should have put it on your big toe. It probably would have been safer.
It would have fit a little better on the big toe, yeah.
But we're in Bali, so maybe I could propose you getting a tattoo band.
Whoa!
Oh, I would do a tattoo ring. That'd be fun.
Is that a double dog dare?
Double dog dare you.
All right. Well, we're gonna move on from the ring topic and get some fish in our systems. One of the cool things about La La Land is they have a full staff here. So, if you want, you can have dinner provided. It's groceries plus 20% because they go out, shop for it, and make it for you. Also, if you want, you can get breakfast. Also, if you want, you can get lunch. Also, they have a menu, so if you want to get something specific, they can make it for you.
It's delicious. They're the best cooks.
Honestly,
We've been having home cooked meals every night for the last 3 nights.
like if you're here with your family or if you're here on a retreat or to do business, you don't have to take time out to prepare all that sort of stuff. They got someone to help you, and it really isn't much more than you'd pay to do it yourself.
Game over. Oh yeah. Game over. Yeah. Oh, game over. Game over.
All right, and now we're going to take advantage of the cinema room and watch us a movie night. Or have us a movie night. Watch a movie at night.
Can't swim in. Better think twice before you dive to the
How's that?
We watched an awful movie, but the screen's really cool.
I'm not even gonna say the name of the movie because you guys should not watch it. It was horrible.
0 stars.
Yeah, the worst.
I'll give you one hint though. There's one character in there that you may know.
It was terrible.
And he did get to the chopper.
damn if you're ready now. Oh, we will start something new 'cause the game is.
Well, that was just lovely.
Every day, I like every night I've been so blessed, like feeling so blessed that we can sleep here, like being
Yeah.
such a cool place.
This place is awesome.
Yeah.
Like if you can swing it for your retreat or your family or something,
Like with a bunch of friends, it is incredible.
definitely.
So cool.
And you can get yourselves some mopeds, or they could even call a driver and you can get taken straight to the beach or something.
Yeah.
It's not far.
We're in an area called Canggu, and there's so much to do here. Like so many amazing restaurants, so many cool places to go shopping, and then there's the beach that we hung out at today. And
There was
it
a lot
really
of people
cool.
at the beach, and we hadn't been
Yeah.
there before, so that was really fun to see just hundreds of people enjoying the beach.
But mostly because we've been in this beautiful place, we've only wanted to spend our time here.
That is true. That is true.
But this is our last time, last night in Bali, and so then we'll be headed to the Philippines, which I'm excited for. But it's gonna be a little bit of a change from this beautiful villa.
But what an amazing place to end on, right?
Yeah, it is really crazy.
Ah.
We're so blessed.
Yeah, so thanks again to Eats and Retreats and to La La Land Villa for having us. It's been amazing.
So cool.
Link in description.
This is like a dream home for sure.
I'll
Links
take
in
it.
the description. If you're coming to Bali, definitely check out Eats and Retreats. They not only have this villa, but like
Yeah.
a billion other villas that you can choose from.
Yeah. All right, I think that's it for us. We're going to go to sleep. Clap off. Oh, it's not that fancy.
Our rainbow's still on.
All right.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Good night.
I hope we encourage you to get out and travel. Okay, bye.
Bye.